If you want your WooCommerce store to feel bold, editorial, and visually unforgettable, Product Grid Magazine is built exactly for that. It brings a magazine-inspired design with asymmetric grids, large product numbering, alternating image ratios, and refined spacing. Perfect for fashion, luxury, lifestyle, and boutique stores. Let's see how easy it is to use. First, go to Dashboard, ShopLentor, Settings, Elements. Find Product Grid Magazine, switch it on, and you're ready to go. Next, add the layout to your site. You can create a shop or archive template using the template builder, or simply add it to any page. Enter your template name. Choose Shop or Archive, and select your editor. You can use Elementor or Gutenberg. Enable Set Default. Choose the pre-designed Product Grid Magazine layout. Click Save and start designing. Your products load instantly in a clean, editorial magazine-style grid. From here, customization stays simple. Use query settings to choose which products to show: featured, on sale, best-selling, or hand-picked items. In layout settings, switch between grid, list, or enable the grid list toggle for flexible browsing. Control what appears with display settings, highlight products using sale, new, or trending badges. Add quick action buttons, then choose how products load. Classic pagination, load more, or infinite scroll. Finally, fine-tune the design in the Style tab. Colors, spacing, typography, buttons, and product numbering all match to your brand. Click Publish, and you're done. Your Product Grid Magazine layout is now live. Bold, editorial, and designed to make your WooCommerce store stand out.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HasThemes on YouTube.